Kaspa is breaking all the records left and right, guys, and I've noticed it finally when it was around 0.5. We are at 0.09. The all-time high, which was 2 days ago, 0.98, it will break 1 cent, or is it 10 cents? Sorry, it's at 9 cents now, 10 cents, then maybe $1. Who knows where is it going? Obviously, this is crypto, this is DeFi, all this stuff. Remember, it can go down to 0, it can go up to $100, $1,000 in the end. Who knows? Maybe another Ethereum or some coin that is really going high in price. It hasn't been listed yet on any main exchange. I'm trading it on MEXC. If you want to buy it, check out my other video where I buy it. BitGet is biggish, Poloniex, Bybit quite big, KuCoin, they're well known, but they are not Coinbase, they are not Binance. Bybit is probably like the most popular from them all, but KuCoin as well. But the top tier exchanges still are to list Kaspa. That will increase the price even further. As you can see, 2000% in a year, but a lot of it happened in literally the last 5 days, a week. I wish I had more. I don't have a lot, unfortunately. Now the FOMO kicks in, but I just want you to reassess what you want to do. If you want to jump on it, this might be another Bitcoin. It is still early right now, but if I may suggest, just try to watch the price and be careful. I'll talk about a little about the developments in a second, but let's just jump onto the price, because as you can see, it just skyrocketed. So trading view, you can click on it. I've got the link as well below. It's absolutely free. Just click here, search for Kaspa. You've got different exchanges. I'm using MEXC, so I click on that, but whichever you want, as long as it's Kaspa, then you'll see something like that, more or less. And only thing you have to change, let's say, is to jump between those time frames, see how it goes, see how you like it. And what I'm looking at is those pullbacks, as you can see, like this one here. So when you see the price up, you wait for the pullback. There was actually one here like that. This one here was quite violent. The same happened on Bitcoin. So just have to look for those, and maybe if you want to buy, then as you can see here, they were like running and then a sudden jump. Maybe buy some now, let's say, if you want to, and then add some more later on. This price might now pick up the pace again, and it basically bounced off the 10 cent limit here. As you can see, it literally had on MEXC, it literally had like 10 cents, nearly hit it, or 0.099, and now it just bounced down and might be going back up. As you can see, it's fighting to break that barrier. Always the big barriers psychologically are important. So it bounced down to 0.083, let's say, and now it's pushing back up on a 4-hour time frame. If you go lower, you'll see more movement, jagged movement. Maybe buy some, let's say, when it drops a little bit, and then ride it up. It depends on you. We are in a bull run. Everything you do is going to go up for a while at least, but remember about this kind of drop. So in here, if you bought in here, unless you obviously buy it spot trading, where you don't risk only losing a little bit of the value, and you have time to wait for it and keep adding, let's say, more. Let's say you bought it here and you see it dropping, don't sell it. We are in a bull run. It's only going like that. Don't sell it. Look when it's down. When it's going down, maybe you add some more here, add some more here. If you've got the money, just divide it into couple batches, let's say, and wait for those downs. Don't FOMO in all the time. Then when it's going up, maybe another one, then you see it high up, you know, If you already have a position, don't buy it, but if you don't, maybe buy it here. You see it drop, buy another one maybe here, now maybe another one. If you see it going up, buy another one around when it breaks, let's say this 10 cents. If it goes down here, maybe something here, something like that would be the best. Maybe, you know, some money that you have on the side every month, I don't know, $100, let's say, divide it into 2 or 3 and just look how it goes. Because as you can see, let's say a weekly chart is obviously going to be extremely huge, but let's say once a week you have some money, deposit a little bit, and just remember that it also pulls back, and it pulls back sometimes very violently like it did here, and that's what we're waiting for. And there's a huge rally. Obviously people are selling to cash in the profits, and you might do it as well. Let's say you see it very high, you might sell some as well, and then wait for it to dip down, buy again. There's many tactics, many rules. If you focus on one coin, let's say Kaspa, or if you're new to this, focus on one coin, then you might you know, have time to open, save the trading view chart like that and start playing with it. Don't FOMO in, you know, when you see it very high. This is the worst way to do it. If you see it like all-time high, the highest price, you can see it on the chart, maybe wait a little bit. There is always some sort of a pullback, a drop in price. What they're developing is huge. They're developing new DAG night. This is a document, huge document. I just skimmed over because I'm not an expert in that, but this might cause the price to skyrocket. What is the goal here? The goal is here to make it as fast as possible, the fastest possible blockchain. And what they want to do is they want to, by rewriting the language, by adding this DAG-Knight new protocol, all the time increasing the speed, obviously develop the whole network as well. But at the moment, as you can see, they're rewriting to a different programming language from Golang to Rust, and they can reach 10 blocks per second, and the goal would be to go towards 100, which would be insane, and it would really help to implement it into real life, because that's what we need. We need huge amounts of blocks per second. Other networks are slow, but you know, you never know, in the future maybe there will be somebody else come up with another idea of implementing that faster. So as I said, don't treat it as, you know, a certain winner. Some more stable coins, crypto like Bitcoin and probably Ethereum or something, might be a safer bet, but they won't grow that fast as well, obviously. So check it out, guys. I'm really going to keep adding to my position as well. I'm not gonna be probably a millionaire. Maybe if it lasts for a couple of years, I'll try to keep adding, but the growth is extremely powerful, and I see it going at least to a couple dollars with that kind of attention and that kind of development that they're doing. So don't take my word for it, guys. Do your own research. I want you to be safe, but you have something here that has huge potential. So thank you for watching.